In this video, we'll be talking about the Diagnostics functionality within the OptimumCNC Plasma software. The Diagnostics tab allows the operator to quickly check the status of your ports and to change their state. So for instance, the operator can toggle an output on or off manually, check on the status of the input port, perhaps check on the status of the ADC port, etc. To access the Diagnostics tab, head into the Advanced Side panel, available at the top right here, and click on the Diagnostics button. Here we will have the inputs, outputs, PWM or pulse width modulation, your DAC, and your ADC ports. So we're not going to go through all of them one by one, but let's say we'd like to check the status of the input ports. Here I am manually toggling input number 12 by pressing a button on the controller, and as you can see, the LED lights up and correspondingly indicates to the operator that this input is currently on. Next, let's say we have the outputs from 0 to 15. We can manually toggle an output, let's say output number 2 or output number 12. And if we were to be showing the controller, we could also see that the controller also lights up. We also have the pulse width modulation, your digital analog converter, and the state or the status of your ADC ports from 0 to 7. Once you're done with using the Diagnostics tab, you can simply close it by either pressing the Close Widget button or by toggling it by pressing the Diagnostics button once again. Thank you for watching.